Imagine starting your day with a coffee in hand, still half asleep, when your phone lights up with a congrats on your new mortgage notification. Only problem is, you've never applied for one. Welcome to identity theft, where someone else pretends to be you and you get the bill. Fun, right? It's simple. Identity theft is when someone steals your personal info and pretends to be you. Open accounts, take out loans, rack up debt, maybe buy a hot tub in your name, all while you're blissfully unaware, until the debt collectors show up. And no, this isn't just a celebrity problem, it's an everyone problem, because identity thieves aren't picky, they go for whoever's easiest. How do they get your info? Easy. Phishing emails that trick you into clicking dumb things. Data breaches where companies lose your info, again. Junk mail you tossed in the bin without shredding. And you posting every detail of your life online. The impact? Financial chaos, destroyed credit, legal mess. You'll spend months arguing with banks, fraud teams, and anyone else who will listen. Identity theft is a bureaucratic nightmare you wouldn't wish on your worst enemy. Here's how to stay safe without going full tinfoil hat. Use strong, unique passwords, and a password manager to remember them. Stop posting your life story on social media. Shred sensitive documents, yes, with an actual shredder. Don't trust emails that make you panic. Take a breath. Verify it's real. And check your credit reports. Like, actually check them. Identity theft isn't exciting, it's exhausting. But it's also avoidable. Lock your info down, be paranoid, stop oversharing, and for the love of all things secure, don't trust every email with an exclamation mark.